Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Inmanta Connect product. So what is Inmanta Connect? It's a turnkey orchestration solution for on-demand delivery of connectivity services in multi-vendor networks. It has out-of-box support for leading vendors and technologies, and it is 100% MEF conformant from layer 1 or physical to layer 3 or the network layer. In today's demo, I'm gonna set up a point-to-point layer to carry Ethernet service on two Nokia routers, as you can see in the diagram below. First using the SDP backend, then I'm gonna migrate this SDP to Evpn, which is a common practice nowadays within CSPs. And in the end, I'm gonna show you the self-healing feature of Inmanta as well. One thing to notice here is this inventory in the diagram. Inmanta Connect by default ships with a built-in inventory, which is the ideal case for CSPs that they are having a inventory solution, but it is not quite up there. And later on down the road, if you decide, you can migrate this inventory to some other solution, for example, Netbox. But it is not required at all. Okay, without any further ado, let's go to the web console and I'm going to show you the demo. I'm inside Service Catalog tab of my web console. I'm going to click on Inventory, then Add Instance. Now I have to fill up some forms here. These forms are required to be MEF compliant. For example, network backend, the endpoints that they take in an identifier, bandwidth, VLAN ID, so on and so forth. However, no need to be worried. These are all available through APIs and you can easily customize them and even integrate it with your BSS solutions. So for now, I'm gonna speed up the process here and get back to you very soon. For the network backend, let's go with LTP first. Click on Confirm. Now we can see the life cycle here. It's starting, creating the service, and pulling the values from the inventory that we have. Okay, in just a few seconds, the deployment is done, and we can also see the same status inside the Resources tab. Here we go. The next step would be checking the configuration on the routers. Now, let's check the service here, and the command for that is, you can see our service using SDP. Let's check it on the other router as well. Show service ID SDP, and here we go. Now, let's go to the web console again and migrate this SDP to Evpn. We will go back to the service catalog, go to the inventory, and edit our existing configuration here. I just go here and change the type to Evpn. Let's click confirm. Let's check the resources. We can see in just a few seconds the migration is done. Even if we go back to our service catalog, we should be able to see the state as up. So let's go ahead and check the configuration on the routers again. First, checking the SDP one and then the Evpn one. First, let's use the same command to see the status. So if I run the previous command, you can see there are no more entries here. But if I just change this SDP to Evpn, we can see the service has migrated successfully. How about seeing the self-healing in action? If I go to the configuration mode and I delete the service here, let's say delete service epipe 1000, commit and exit. First of all, we shouldn't be able to see the service anymore, which is the case. And let's see how Inmanta can help us recover from this situation. Going back to the web console, I can just click on the repair button here and Inmanta will go ahead and check the current status on the router that we have and fix any configuration that is missing from the routers for us. The other option is it also happens automatically. So there is an interval that you can configure, which is here, auto repair interval. So you can decide how often do you want Inmanta to check the configuration and the desired on your network environment. Going back to the CLI, we should be able to see Evpn is back. Now let's run the command once more. There we have it. Perfect. Just like that, we saw how we could set up this end-to-end carrier Ethernet service between the routers, how we could migrate the backend from SCP to Evpn, and how self-healing could save us. All in all, without requiring to do any coding, and everything was out of the box. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us. We would be more than happy to provide more information, and see you in the next video. Bye.